Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Today, we're talking about what happens during your immigration court master hearing. I've always kind of thought about master hearings as being like a scheduling conference. First of all, many of these hearings now are conducted via WebEx. It's an online app where you are then brought into the judge's chambers online, electronically. And you're supposed to turn on your camera for this. For unrepresented individuals, meaning you don't have an attorney, typically you would show up in person. If you do know how to go online, there's nothing wrong with doing that. But from what I've seen, most people who are showing up via video happen to have attorneys. In any case, before you join online, you'll want to make sure that the court where you have your hearing uses WebEx. In New York, it's pretty standard. Then what happens? The way you got into immigration court proceedings was by the issuance of a document called a notice to appear. This is the document that tells the judge why you are being charged with removability, meaning you are a person that could be deported. So it'll say what country you are from, when you entered the US, how you entered the US, where you entered the US, and why it is that you are deportable. And you are to answer to those allegations and charges. If you have an attorney, your attorney will be responding to them for you. The judge will also ask, what is your best language? Where do you reside? And if you do have an attorney, you will be asked if your attorney is authorized to speak on your behalf. Finally, the purpose of these hearings, as I said, it's like a scheduling conference. So the judge will want to know, assuming that you are deportable and the charges against you are accurate, which they may not be, and you should fight them if they're not, then you'll need relief from removal. That is, what is your defense against these charges that you are removable from the United States? And that might be something like, maybe you're adjusting status, that is, you're getting a green card through a family or through a job. It might be that you're applying for asylum. It might be that you're applying for something else, like cancellation of removal. So there might be a variety of reasons why you are not removable, and you would be presenting this to the judge, explaining that is your defense against removability, and the judge will expect that you have an application prepared. If it's your first time on, you could be given an opportunity to either come back for another master calendar just to submit the application, or you might be asked just to submit it off calendar, meaning that it's going to be filed online or through the window at the clerk's office. Finally, the goal of this, again, is to schedule an individual hearing, that is basically your trial about your case. So assuming that you've presented an application, this is something that should be done in court. Then the judge is going to give you a date for a final hearing. And that, in a nutshell, is what happens during a standard master calendar hearing. There are some other nuances. Not every case is the same. There might be cases where you're just getting a dismissal or termination of your immigration case. But this is the basic structure of what happens. If you have any questions about this or any other immigration matter, give us a call at 833-848-7838.